am back with a special thing, and this video relates to the special thing. Before seeing this video, please subscribe my video and click the like button. If you like the video, please say in the comment, and I'll say the special thing name is the Hot Wheels Monster Truck Bone Shaker. It has big tires and has good design, has good balance, has good grip to go on the floor or slippery way. It can go on the off-road. It looks like evil. And the upper thing is like the small Hot Wheels design has kept over it, and this is the engine, and this is the exhaust pipe. This is the evil design. So and I got this. You can buy in the shop with 400 or in 500. But I got this from Amazon in 799. It was there with another monster truck. It is called Roger Dodger. So if you want, I can show how to use it. It's a demo. You can. I'm showing in the floor. So see, it's slippery. It's filled with water. It can go because it has grip. This you can see this, and it can go off road. See, I'm keeping my hand. It can go. If you do like a ball also, if you hold like a ball, it can go, and you can crash it like this. You can crash it, but nothing happens with this. It can't break it. And now I'll show the Roger Dodger. See it. This is the Roger Dodger. It has same big tires like Bone Shaker. It has engine and exhaust pipe. It's like 67 Camaro 50th anniversary, and it has grip like Bone Shaker. It's like it's all things are same. You can go on. It can go on off road, and it can go on slippery. Now I'll show how to smash it. See, it's smashed. Again I'll show. Now guys, please like this video and subscribe this video. Thank you.